Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need a Huawei phone with compatible MIUI and NFC enabled. Check that first. Once confirmed, install a reliable Google Play Services framework and then the Google Wallet APK, because Wallet depends on those services. Make sure to grant all runtime permissions when prompted so Wallet can access NFC, location, and accounts. If prompted for device admin or accessibility access, only allow sources you trust. Next, sign into your Google account so Wallet can sync payment. Open Google Wallet and follow the setup prompts. You'll choose your Google account and enable contactless payments. Then tap Add a card and either scan the physical card or type details manually. This is faster with a steady hand and good lighting. Next, complete card verification. Your bank might send an SMS code, require a quick call, or ask you to confirm in your banking app. Once verified, Wallet stores a secure token rather than your real card number for safer tap payments. To finish, test contactless payment at a low-value terminal. Hold the phone near the reader until you see the confirmation. If it fails, reboot the phone and retry. Make sure the screen is on and NFC stays enabled. If problems persist, clear Wallet cache, reinstall Google services, and re-add the card. Also check with your bank for vendor or region restrictions and confirm Huawei's NFC hardware isn't locked by carrier settings. One key tip: enable logs or screenshots during setup so support can diagnose errors fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.